Mahabheda Mudra, great piercing psychic attitude. Subsidiary practices. To do Mahabheda Mudra, you should know the following basic techniques. Number 1, Ujjayi Pranayama. 2, Kechari Mudra. 3, Unmani Mudra. 4, Mulabandha. 5, Nasikagra Drishti. 6, Jalandhara Bandha. 7, Udhyana Bandha. You should already know the first 3 techniques since they are an integral part of the previous kriyas. Nasikagra Drishti, Udhyana Bandha, Jalandhara Bandha and the full form of Mula Bandha should be mastered. Mahabheda Mudra Alternative 1. Sitting position. Men should sit in Siddhasana and women in Siddhayoni Asana. If you cannot do these asanas, then you should do alternative 2 technique. Sit with the back held upright. Ensure that one heel firmly presses against the Mooladhara Chakra trigger point. Open the eyes. Do Kechari Mudra. Maintain it for the entire practice. Exhale deeply. Hold the breath. Gently rest the chin against the chest. The first round begins here. Be aware of the Mooladhara Chakra and mentally repeat Mooladhara, Mooladhara, Mooladhara. Inhale with Ujjayi Pranayama while moving awareness upwards through the Kshetram in the frontal Arohan passage, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Bindu. Have only awareness of the chakras. There is no need for mental repetition. Your head should be slowly raised as awareness moves from Vishuddhi to Bindu chakra. At Bindu, there should be breath retention and the head should lean slightly backwards. While fixing awareness at Bindu, mentally repeat Bindu, Bindu, Bindu. Then with Ujjayi exhalation, let your awareness slowly descend through the spinal Avarohan passage. Be aware of the chakras in turn: Agna, Vishuddhi, Anahata, Manipura, Swadhisthana and Mooladhara. Do Unmani Mudra with descent of awareness. Hold your breath when your awareness reaches Mooladhara. Fix your awareness on Mooladhara and mentally repeat 3 times Mooladhara, that is Mooladhara, Mooladhara, Mooladhara. Do Jalandhara Bandha while continuing to retain the breath. Do Moola Bandha. Do Udhyana Bandha. Do Nasikagra Drishti. Say mentally Nasikagra, Udhyana, Mool. Simultaneously, your awareness should move to the centers of these practices. When you say Nasikagra, awareness should be fixed at the nose tip. When you say Udhyana, your awareness should be fixed at the navel. When you say Mool, your awareness should be fixed at the Mooladhara chakra. This rotation, Nasikagra, Udhyana, Mool, should be done 3 times by beginners, slowly increased to 12 times over a period of weeks or months. Release Nasikagra Drishti, release Moola Bandha, release Udhyana Bandha, release Jalandhara Bandha, but do not raise your head. Become aware of the Mooladhara chakra again. This is the end of the first round. Now start the second round. Hold the breath with awareness at Mooladhara Mentally repeat Muladhara, Muladhara, Muladhara. Then let your awareness ascend the frontal passage with Ujjayi Pranayama. Repeat 12 rounds without strain. Ujjayi Pranayama should be done throughout the practice. Retain the breath while repeating Muladhara 3 times. Inhale while ascending the frontal passage. Retain the breath while repeating Bindu 3 times. Exhale while descending the spinal passage.